Hello everyone and welcome to my next presentation on Chinese characters. This one is about the Chinese character guo. Guo in the fourth tone. And this character, if it's pronounced guo in the fourth tone, it is a verb, and it means to basically to go to another place, to transport yourself from one place to another, to that other place. And it has several other meanings as well, but this is the most frequent meaning. And if you look at the character and you see the elements inside, the elements inside of this character will point exactly to this one specific meaning. And then there's another pronunciation of this character, which is guo in the neutral tone, and in this case it is a suffix to verbs, and it basically changes slightly the meaning of any verb, not any verb, but the meaning of a verb that can be changed in this way, that can be modified in this way, by changing it to a completed experienced action in the past. So if you say 我看了, it means I have seen, and if you say 我看过了, it means yeah, I have seen it, as in I have the experience of seeing that. For instance, a movie, like have you seen that movie? Have you ever seen that movie in your life? And if you say 我看过了, it means yeah, I have seen it in my life before. So this is the meaning, and again, it can be sort of derived from the meaning of this character, which means to sort of, if it's pronounced in the fourth tone, 过, it means either to go to that place or to pass. So 已经过了, it passed already. So this way you can get to the meaning of the character when it is pronounced in the neutral tone. The character that you can see over here in the middle of your screen is the traditional version of this character. I will show you the simplified version. So this is the simplified version of the character, and as you can see, this element over here that I will show you in a second has been simplified into this, which is pronounced 寸, and it's basically just a simplification of this element over here. So let me show you what elements are inside of this character, this original one, and it will be easier for you to understand why this character is pronounced 过 and why it means to go somewhere or to pass. So there are two elements in this character. The first element is this one, and it is pronounced 过 in the first tone, and it means it's just a surname, it's a Chinese surname, but as you can see, it is in this character because its pronunciation, guo, is very similar to the pronunciation of the character as a whole, which is guo. So basically it's just a phonetic element, just as a letter in the Roman alphabet, a cluster of letters in the Roman alphabet which is pointing to the pronunciation. And then you have this second element over here, 1, 2, and 3, which is pronounced chuo. And it means to go, basically, yeah, to step, to go somewhere. And this is the semantic element pointing to the meaning of the character as a whole. So let me show you how to write this character, what the stroke order is. So you start with this guo element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you proceed 1. This is one stroke, and this is a second stroke. This used to confuse me a lot before, how to write this element over here, so I'm going to show you one more time. This is a pretty tricky character to write, actually, because it's quite confusing when you start this guo element. If you do this stroke first, that's still very logical, but then you don't know if you should continue with this one or with this one. So you continue with the top one first, then the inner one, and then again it's a bit confusing. Should you do this one first and then this one, or the other way around? So you first do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then one stroke, and 2. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And that's it. A simplified character is very simple. You start with the horizontal stroke, then you do the vertical stroke with the hook and the dotted stroke, and then you continue to the left element, which is the same as in the traditional one. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I will see you in the next one.